Attention! All hints and tips shown here are personal experiences and serve as support. The repair is at your own risk. Hint: repairing tools. All repairing tools used by us in the video can be found in our webshop. Just follow the links in the video description. Since neither the back cover nor the battery are glued, the repair can also be carried out if you have collected so far only a few experiences in the mobile phone repair. If you follow our instructions step by step and proceed with the utmost care, you will succeed most likely. Please write us in the comments on how difficult you felt the repair. Removing the back cover. Use the plectrum tool to lever between LCD screen and frame. Lever once around until you can raise up the back cover. Removing the micro USB flex cable. Remove the protective tape from the flex cable connection with the tweezer and release the connection with the plectrum tool. Remove 2 screws of the connection covering from the other end of the flex cable. Release the flex connection with the spudger. Heat the 2 coverings and remove them by levering with the spudger. Then you can remove the whole micro USB flex cable. Removing the battery. Remove the protective tape from the LCD flex cable and release the LCD connector with the help of the plectrum tool. Remove also the protective tape from the battery connector with the help of the tweezer. Remove 4 screws, 2 above and 2 underneath the battery. Take out the battery and release the battery connector within the same step. Fixing the battery. Set in the battery. Link the battery connector. Fix the screws which are located around the battery. Lay down the LCD flex cable across the battery and link the LCD connector with the mainboard. Fix the protective tape on the LCD connector with the help of the spudger. Link the connector of the light sensor module with the mainboard. Fixing the micro USB flex cable. Set in the micro USB flex cable and connect it. Adjust the covering of the connector and fix it with 2 screws. Connect the micro USB flex cable to the mainboard and fix the protective tape. Closing the device. Adjust the back cover and start pushing it down in the upper left corner. Push it solid once around. Please be careful, otherwise you will damage the LCD screen. Finally, test the functionalities of the LCD screen. If you want to know how to change the LCD screen on the Galaxy Tab S, then just have a look at the video below. Samsung Galaxy Tab S 10.5 LTE screen replacement. In addition, we look forward to your comments, and if you liked the video, do not forget to click thumbs up. Please let us know if you have questions or suggestions for future videos.